that your best friend, the fan?
It's at the house, man.
Oh. Say, ooh. Ooh. Oh.
Let's go. See you later.
Oh, brother's leaving. You say bye. Say bye. Oh, you just left the fan. Bye, Dan.
Bye, Victoria.
Thank you. She's saying bye.
Bye, Victoria.
Bye. Bye, Mom. Baby, I love you. She's talking to the fan. It's so cute.
Uh-oh. Bye, Elijah. Bye.
So get out of here. Okay, get out of here.
Oh, yeah?
Who is it? Okay, come on in. You can come in.